the markets continue to go higher. So let's check this out. D7 here, Wednesday, hump day, September 13th, 2017. The S&P 500 higher. Everybody in positive territory. We do have small caps doing the best, up 0.3%. Banks up 2%. Financials higher. We have the US dollar higher. Crude oil up by 2%. Gold lower, silver lower. The fear basically break even, slightly lower. Okay, the S&P 500 ETF called our spider. Last couple sessions, we've had a tick higher than this trend line. But look how we slowed down on trajectory. Up, 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 and then kind of a stagger step sideways. If you look here at the diamonds, we popped up looking fairly strong. All is well here. NASDAQ is smashing resistance. We have a buy on it a couple days ago on the 11th. Up, 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 up. But we have resistance right here. Every time we got to this resistance level, we dropped. We got here, dropped. We got here, dropped. We got here, will we drop? Pretty good chance of that happening. We'll see. Oh, small caps. Put it a buy here on the 11th. Up, 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 up. Pretty strong little uptrend above all major moving averages there. The bank yesterday, have a buy on it, and we plowed through a ton of resistance today. Financials, a couple days ago, put a buy on it, but we're stuck. We're stuck at the flatline 50-day moving average. US dollar, have a buy on it up, but we're running into resistance. I'm expecting that to drop or to carry that down right there. So we're at a lot of resistance there. And crude oil, big pop. Yesterday we got a bounce. I called for the buy, and then we rallied higher, but we're at resistance. We could see some more. It closed at the day's high. Gold had a sell on it the last couple of days, and we're dropping. Again, we got a sell on it the last couple of days and dropping on silver because it's the weekly. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get into the Dow 30 and let's look at tech stocks. I want to look at a lot of stocks here. I think you'll like that. It's Wednesday. Every Wednesday I should do that. And this URL that you're looking at here, we have an upcoming mentorship that's going to be happening. And this link is only for those who are really serious, okay? Because that will schedule a call with me. Only do it if you're ready to invest in yourself in trading education. If you're ready for a mentor, I'll talk with you. And so there's the link. You can schedule your own time. So remember, we do our mentoring during day hours here in the US. So if you're from another country, be careful because unless you're willing to stay up really, really late or get up really, really early, mentoring may not be for you for what we offer. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Let's get into some. Let's do the Dow 30 first. Let's go to Apple. Apple, today I put a sell on it, but I did that in the middle of the day. Do I want to keep that? Wow. Wow, I put this a few hours ago because it was a big red candlestick, but it rallied back. It rallied back. I mean, I'll stay with it. Man, I always kick myself because it's like I get a little early on my calls. And here is one of those times that this thing could bounce off of support right here, but I got a bear call on it. And oh boy, I need to look at this a little more closely. It did break. Okay, I'm going to stay with that call. I'll stay with it. American Express, got a buy on it. We're heading higher. Boeing, I got a buy on it, but it's flatline doing a whole lot of nothing. Caterpillar, got a buy on it heading up, but under some pressure right now. Cisco, put a sell on it today. It was a lot worse, but by day's end, it's come back. But I do have a sell on that. Well, let's see. Got a buy here on Chevron. And boy, what a good day it had today. Up 1.2%. 0.5%. Disney up almost a full percent. And I thought I had a buy on that. Maybe I didn't. Anyway, and DD DuPont were up. Remember, they had a merger. And GE put a buy on it yesterday. We are starting to go higher. We got to be careful. It could be a bear pullback, so it could get ugly quickly. So I'm watching that. Goldman Sachs up, and away. So this line here, now that we broke all that, I'm going to make this into a huge symmetrical triangle. And we're near resistance, so look for that to be a sell fairly soon. And Home Depot, got a buy on that. We're heading higher, but it looks a little toppy to me. IBM, got a buy on it, heading higher. Intel, got a buy on that. We're heading higher. Johnson & Johnson put a sell on it today, but might be a little early. But there's my sell today. JP Morgan got a buy on it, heading up. Coca-Cola, man, look at this nice run, but look for that to pull back fairly soon. McDonald's yesterday had a big sell on it. Today, look, we could bounce, but anyway, nasty day yesterday. Got a buy on Triple M. Went under some pressure, but it's still looking fairly good. Merck, big up run. Microsoft, and it broke resistance. Look at this. Remember I said look at this as resistance. We could drop. It broke it. That's pretty solid there. Nike had a big pop a few days ago, so it's a buy now. Pfizer got a buy on that. It's looking good. Procter got a buy on that. Big, look at this little symmetrical triangle, but it's really called a bullish pennant. Really, really tiny. Those things can get bullish quickly. So watch Procter & Gamble. Could have a big day like tomorrow. Do I want to put a sell on Travelers? Oh, I'm going to stay with my buy on Travelers. UNH, high base, look for more upside. UTX, got a big sell on it. A little bear pullback, look for more downside opportunity there. Visa, up. I'm going to stay with my buy, even though I'm tempted to put a sell right now. I'm going to stay with it. Verizon got a buy, and it popped and closed it near the day's high. That's really strong there. Walmart got a buy, sat under some pressure, still going higher. I'm going to stay with my buy there. And Exxon, up, closing near the day's high. Very, very, very strong. Okay, quickly, let's look at tech stocks. All right. We don't need to look at Apple again because we already looked at it. We'll look at it again. There it is. I put a sell on Apple. Okay, there's my sell on Apple. There's my sell on Apple. This link again, you will register on learning more about the mentorship. And I'm going to be talking with you specifically about our mentorship program. And I'm going to be asking you questions to find out if it's right for you. But you can do that there. All right. Amazon, got a buy on that as of August 29th and had a nice pop. I like that we're above all major moving averages. Baba, got a buy on it. And now it's starting to release to the upside, looking good. I added Baidu. It's one I trade from time to time. I've traded this one since since the beginning. But somebody said it would be, you should have that in tech stocks, and I agree. Anyway, so here's a look at, do I have any others back here? I don't. Got some winners in here, a couple losers there. You have this one, a couple losers, but for the most part, doing really, really well on that. Cisco put a sell on it today. It looked a lot more bearish earlier. I was a little early to the gun today doing my trades. This could be a sell soon. My catfish, I call it catfish, CTSH, tweezer top. You know what? I'm going to add it. It might be a little early, but there's my sell on catfish. eBay, up. Not too bad. Facebook, got up. But that, oh man, look to sell that soon, guys, for take profits. Google, look to take profits. This is a bear flag, guys. This thing could get bearish and quickly. Same thing on Alphabet. GoPro has just been on fire. Called it a buy, set under some pressure, and then boom to the upside. Microsoft broke resistance. We already talked about that. NVIDIA, I'm underwater on. I called it a sell. The only reason I'm committed to my sell right now, even though it's going higher, is because we're on the bear side of this trend line. Yeah, Oracle is up, 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 and away. A real strong move there. Real strong move. Real strong move. Real-time tweaks. Yep. Let's see. Price line. And I'm telling you guys, and I hate it. I use TradingView.com, and I'm noticing some of my plots are disappearing. They don't add any, which is a good thing. But some of these, there's no guarantee that these trades that I call here are going to remain. There's just no guarantee of it. I'm seeing that they are disappearing. It's forcing me to go back to previous email or videos, look for where they were plotted and adding them. So I hope they get that remedied. Red Hat, up, 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 up. Snap, got a buy on it. High base, look for that to keep going higher. Twitter, up, 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 up. But there's a shooting star reversal pattern for a candlestick. Look for that to drop. There it is. That's all. Now, a couple of you guys have said that you like my blogging at the end, and I'm getting good feedback on that. So I might as well continue to do it. We got Keisha, my assistant, over here next to me. You can say hello.
Hello, everyone.
She didn't know she was going to be called. Then, yeah. So we have an office here, and I have an office. Sometimes she works here. We have a much larger office downstairs that she'll work at, but we're getting ready to incorporate that big area into our major office for where we work. But we have happy, and we have we have a team of individuals that work for us, but everyone's remote. It's funny, man. We got people everywhere. We got people all different states that work with us, and we have a director. Big things coming. If you speak Espanol, big things are coming, man. Be looking for, we are ramping up big time for the Spanish market, doing some really cool things there. So be watching that. Anyway, so that's what's going on. The thing that we are most interested in is everyone who watches videos should look into mentoring. If not, make sure they get put into it. So that is a drive for us. Everybody should be in mentoring. I know what it did for me, and I know that that's the only way to trade with any sort of success in the markets, period. 100% of all the people that I know who are full-time traders all have one thing in common. They all have a mentor. So anyway, the markets have been going up, up, up. What's interesting is in the political landscape, what we're finding is we're seeing a significant move in the markets. Jobless claims, GDP is ticking higher. We're seeing a lot of good things. Some people believe it is the former president who had set up the groundwork to make for these positive changes. Other people believe it's the new president has come in who have made some decisions that has helped. And so anyway, ever since he was elected, Donald Trump, the markets have gone sizably higher. So that's interesting that the market, the investors, the traders, institutions found that to be favorable. And so anyway, really cool stuff. I am looking forward to the rest of this week. I think that looking at the markets here, I was just looking at it from my point of view. Let's see here. See, the dangerous part with this S&P, guys, we're at resistance, but we're slightly higher. The question is, are we just going to blast through this, or are we going to finally drop? And I think the futures will tell us that. So late tonight, watch the futures. And if the futures are down, I'd say more than 0.3% or more, expect the market to start pulling back. Expect that to happen. But if you don't see that, especially tomorrow morning pre-market, if we see a 0.3% drop in the index futures, expect there to be a multi-day drop going into the weekend. That's what I foresee happening. That's it. So hopefully for those that have been sitting on the fence about the mentoring, it's done live at home. You're going to be at home in front of your own computer, and we're going to be doing our mentoring through this online. And we do allow you to bring a friend free of charge. So that's it. Take care. We'll catch you guys later.